Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear student, today we will learn about how to tell time on page number 54. So students, open the page number 54 of your book and look at this clocks with hands. Clocks can also use hands to show us the hours and minutes. We call them analog clocks. So students, आप देख सकते हैं clock में मौजूद two hands हैं. One hand is big and one hand is small. The little hand show the hours. Little hand घंटों को show करता है, जबकि big hand minutes को show करता है. The big hand shows minutes. The little hand shows hours. Dear students, using both the big hand and the little hand, let us know exactly what time it is. Time 1:30, half past time. 7:15, quarter past 7. 9 o'clock.